Street food vocabulary. Hamburger. French fries. Corn dogs. Hot dog. Pretzel. Nachos. Burrito. Quesadilla. Tamales. Tacos. Churros. Empanadas. Arepas. Shawarma. Falafel. Kebabs. Pupusas. Samosas. Biryani bowl. Dosa. Vada. Spring rolls. Pakoras. Idli. Egg rolls. Dumplings. Fried rice. Skewers. Buns. Noodles. Ice cream cones. Gelato cups. Grilled corn. Fish and chips. Waffles. Crepes. Pancakes. Donuts. Fried chicken. Chicken wings. Sliders. Pizza slices. Stuffed breads. Kebda. Sushi rolls. Onigiri. Takoyaki. Okonomiyaki. Ramen bowl. Pho bowl. Satay. Pad thai. Banh mi. Laksa. Mango sticky rice. Roti. Kebabs wrap. Gyros. Curry puffs. Kumpir. Pierogi. Bratwurst. Sausage rolls. Poutine. Tostadas. Meat pies. Kimbap. Bulgogi bowls. Jerk chicken. Elote. Tteokbokki. Korean corn dogs. Jamaican patties. Arepa sandwich. Ceviche cups. Fried plantains. Funnel cakes. Chimichangas. Milk tea. Fruit smoothie. Fresh juice cups. Snow cone. Bubble tea. Kebab skewers. Fried squid. Grilled oysters. Crab cakes. Lobster roll. Hummus bowl. Falafel wrap. Souvlaki. Chaat. Golgappa. Pav bhaji. Kati rolls. Bel puri.